How does Shadow DOM help with encapsulation? Have you ever wondered how web developers create components that work seamlessly without interfering with each other? One of the key technologies behind this is Shadow Document Object Model. Shadow Document Object Model allows developers to create a hidden subtree of the document object model, known as the shadow tree, that is attached to a specific element. This shadow tree is completely separate from the main document object model of the page. This separation means that the internal structure, styles, and scripts of the shadow tree do not mix with the rest of the page. For instance, if you have a component with its own styles, those styles will not affect other elements outside of the shadow tree. This is a game changer for web development because it prevents conflicts between styles and scripts. When a developer creates a component using Shadow Document Object Model, the styles defined within that component only apply to elements inside the shadow tree. This means that global styles do not leak into the component, ensuring that it behaves consistently no matter where it is used on a web page. From a programming perspective, Shadow Document Object Model also scopes event handling and document object model queries. Elements within the shadow tree are not accessible through global document object model queries. This prevents accidental changes to these elements. Events can also be designed to cross the boundary of the shadow tree in a controlled manner, allowing for interaction while maintaining isolation. This encapsulation is essential for creating modular and reusable components. Developers can build self-contained pieces of functionality that include their own markup, styles, and behavior. These components can be easily integrated into any web page without worrying about conflicts with other components. This is particularly important in large applications where multiple teams are working on different components. In practical terms, Shadow Document Object Model helps in several ways. It prevents conflicts in cascading style sheets by keeping styles local to the component. It protects the internal workings of a component from outside influences. It makes components easier to maintain and understand. It also allows for lazy loading and efficient rendering by isolating the internals of components. Overall, Shadow Document Object Model is a foundational technology for encapsulation in modern web development. It enables developers to create robust, modular, and maintainable user interface components by keeping their internal details separate from the global document object model environment.